We are going to studying in English. Welcome to learn in English. Tugiye kwiga Icyongereza. Muhawe ikaze kuri iga vuba Icyongereza kandi mu buryo bukoroheye. Let's dive into the lesson. Reka twinjire mu isomo. What time are you leaving? What time are you leaving? Uragenda ryari? Uragenda ryari? I'm leaving at 4 o'clock. I'm leaving at 4 o'clock. Ndagenda saa kumi zuzuye. Ndagenda saa kumi zuzuye. Where are you friend? Where are you friend? Inshuti zawe zagiye he? They went to the restaurant. They went to the restaurant. Bagiye kuri restaurant. Are there a lot of people there? Are there a lot of people there? Iriya hari abantu benshi. Iriya hari abantu benshi. No, only like 10. No, only like 10. Oya, hari nk'icumi gusa. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Uri kureba iki? I'm looking at a map of the city. I'm looking at a map of the city. Ndi kureba ikarita y'umujyi. Ndi kureba ikarita y'umujyi. What are you watching right now? What are you watching right now? Uri kureba iki nonaha? What are you watching right now? I'm watching the TV. I'm watching the TV. Ndi kureba televiziyo. Are you okay? Are you okay? Meze neza? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Yego meze neza. Do you feel sick? Do you feel sick? Urumva urwaye? No, I feel fine. No, I feel fine. Oya, ndumva meze neza. Are you sick? Are you sick? Urarwaye? Yeah, I have a slight cold. Yeah, I have a slight cold. Yego, mfite ibicurane bidakabije. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Urumva umeze ute uyu munsi? Urumva umeze ute uyu munsi? I feel great today. I feel great today. Cyangwa I feel so good today. I feel so good today. Ndumva ameze neza uyu munsi. Is he America? Is he America? Ni umunyamerika ariko w'umugabo. Ari umugore twakoresha is she America. None turi gukoresha is he America? I think he is. I think he is. Ntekereza ko ari we. I think he is. How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? Wabasha kuvuga indimi zingahe? Wabasha kuvuga indimi zingahe? I only speak English. I only speak English. Basha kuvuga Icyongereza gusa. Cyangwa I only speak Kinyarwanda. I only speak Kinyarwanda. Mbasha kuvuga Ikinyarwanda cyonyine. When are you leaving? Uzagenda ryari? When are you leaving? I'm leaving on Monday. I'm leaving on Monday. Nzagenda kuwa mbere. Tubaye dusubikiye aha, tuzasubira ubutaha. Kora like, ukore share, andike na comment ikintu twakosora naho twakomeza gukomeza muri iyo nzira, hanyuma dukomezanye nta kibazo. Turabakunda cyane, Imana ibarinde. Utibagiye gukora na subscribe na like.